Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are keeping fine. Yes? So, dear students, I, Poonam Tripathi, your English teacher, welcome you all to our today's class. Dear students, do you know what we are going to do today? Yes? Today we'll do comprehension, okay? And for this you have to open page number 78 of your grammar book. Alright? Everyone is ready now? Yes? Have you opened your page number 78? Everyone? Alright. Now, let's begin. Okay? Students, you can see that the topic is friends. Yes, we are going to do this comprehension on friends. Do you like your friends? Yes? What is the name of your friend? And do you play with your friends? I'm sure that every one of us like friends. Why? Because we share our happiness, our sorrow with our friends, isn't it? And I'm sure that you all like to play. Yes? And you must be playing with your friends in the evening. Yeah? So, dear students, here also we will do this comprehension on friends. Right? Let's begin now. So, everyone is ready? Okay. Let's start now. What is given here? Let's see. Students, see what is given here. How good to lie a little while and look up through the tree. The sky is like a kind big smile, bent sweetly over me. Yes, you can see this picture. What this boy is doing? He is lying here. Yes. And what he is doing? Tell me. He is looking up through the tree. Yes. And what he feels? The sky is like a kind big smile, bent sweetly over me. What he is saying? That he feels that the sky is like a kind big smile, and the sky is bending, yes, sweetly over him. Okay? The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above my head and kisses me upon the face like mother before bed. So, students, your mother, she loves you a lot, isn't it? And before going to bed, what she does? She kisses you. Yes, she kisses you upon your face, the same way he feels that the sunshine is also doing in the same way. Yes? So in the first stanza it talks about the sky. In the second stanza it talks about the sunshine. And it compares it with the mother. Yes, with the love of mother. Okay? And here what is given? The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things. And though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. Students, you know very well that you can't see wind. You just feel it. Yes, you just feel it. But you can't see. Yeah? So what he is saying? The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things. Whisper means to speak softly, gently. So, the wind whispers pretty things, says something pretty. And though I cannot see him pass, because we can't see it. So, the poet is saying that he cannot see him pass, but he just feels the care. The careful wings, right? He just feel it, but he can't see it. So many gentle friends are near. So many gentle friends. Gentle friends means in this comprehension, the poet is talking about the sky. He's talking about the wind, about sunshine. that they all are our friends. So many gentle friends are near, whom one can scarcely see. A child should never feel a fear. Why a child should not be afraid, or the child should not feel a fear wherever he may be, means a child should not be afraid, because these gentle friends are everywhere, and when we are in the company of our friends, there is no need to bother, there is nothing to worry when our friends are with us. And this is what the poet is telling you. Okay? Yes, so here the poet is Abbie Fowell Brown. So the poet is saying this, that there is no need to worry when your friend is there. Alright? Okay. So dear children, and now we'll do the comprehension. Okay? So are you ready for it? So let's see now. What is given here in exercise A? Who are the friends the poet is referring to in the poem? So who are the friends? I hope you know. Yes. The poet is referring to the sky, the sunshine, and the wind as her friends. Alright. So what is the answer? The poet is referring to the sky, the sunshine, and the wind as her friends. Now, what is the next? What does the poet compare to her mother and why? What does the poet compare to her mother and why? So let's see here. The poet compares the sunshine to her mother, as her mother kisses her upon the face before bed. The sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above her head. Yes, your mother also kisses you before going to bed. In the same way, the sunshine also did. The poet compared the sunshine to her mother. As her mother kisses her upon the face before bed, the sunshine flickers through the lace of leaves above her head. Okay, now let's see the next. Read the lines from the poem. And though I cannot see him pass, I feel his careful wings. Okay, now let's see. Who is him and his mentioned in the above lines? What does he do? Okay, who is him and his mentioned in the above lines? What does he do? Right, let's see now. Third, the poet is referring to the wind. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things to her. The poet is referring to the wind. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things to her. Okay? Got now? So the poet is referring to the wind. The wind comes stealing over the grass to whisper pretty things to her. Right? Now let's see the next. Why shouldn't a child be afraid? Why shouldn't a child be afraid? Okay? So now let's see. A child should not be afraid when he or she has gentle friends like the sky, the wind, and the sunshine. Okay, I repeat. A child should not be afraid when he or she has gentle friends like the sky, the wind, and the sunshine. Right? These are the friends. So when our friend is near to us, there is no need to afraid. Alright, now let's see the next. Find words from the poem and that mean the same as the following. Shine unsteadily. Stanza 2. So what is the meaning here? Flicker. 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 Okay. Next. Speak very softly. Stanza 3. And this is whisper. 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 Okay. Third. Barely. This is stanza 4. And what is the answer? Scarcely. Okay. Fourth. Kind or tender. Stanza 4. This is gentle. 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 Fifth. In an affectionate or loving manner. In an affectionate or loving manner. And this is sweetly. This is sweetly. Alright? Now, let's see the next C exercise. Find words from the poem that rhyme with the following words. Okay? So let's do this. While. And what is the rhyming word? Smile. While, smile. Lace, face. Things, wings. See, be. Alright? Next is fear, here. Pass, grass. Me, tree. Bed, head. Alright? So dear children, this was all about this comprehension. Okay? I hope you understood this comprehension. Yes? Yes? So in this way only we have to get the answers of the comprehensions from the sometimes you may get poem, sometimes you may get some paragraph from there. You have to find out the answers which is asked to you, right? So students, I hope you understood and you will complete these exercises in the book. Alright? Okay students, so that's all for today. Thanks for watching.